Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be going over some Walgreens deals that y'all can do this week. We have freebies and moneymakers, plus at the end, I'm going to share with y'all what I did with my spin boosters. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. And don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a second to share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright guys, so first up we have a few food deals this week at Walgreens. We have Kelloggs cereals and Pop-Tarts. They are on sale, buy one, get one free. Alright, next up we have Pringles. They are on sale, 3 for $5. And we also have a sale on the Oscar Mayer hot dogs. So these are also on sale, buy one, get one free this week. Alright, next up we have the Old El Paso products. Those are also on sale, buy one, get one free. Alright, next up we have a little glitch deal. So we have the 8-ounce Aunt Jemima syrups. These are priced at $1 each. What you want to do is pick up two, use the 1 off 2 digital coupon, and that's going to leave you paying $1 for two. Alright, moving on into our household products. We have Arm & Hammer Laundry Care. Those are on sale this week, 3 for $7.99. And we also have the Ajax liquid laundry detergents. These are $3.99 and they are buy one, get one free this week. Alright, next up we have the Tide Simply, Downy, and Bounce products. These are on sale this week, 4 for $9. Alright, next up we have All and Snuggle products. These are priced at $3.49 this week, and we have a $1.50 off 1 digital coupon, so that's going to leave you paying $1.99. Next up we have Palmolive dish soap. These are on sale for $2.49, and we have a 1 off 1 digital coupon, so that's going to leave you paying $1.49. Alright, next up we have Bounce, Bounty, Downy, Charmin, and Gain products. Those are on sale for $10.99 this week, and don't forget we still have that P&G spin promotion going on. So here's a quick coupon matchup for you. You can pick up 2 of the Bounty products. That's going to put you at $21.98. Use the 8 off 2 digital coupon. You're going to pay $13.98 out of pocket, but you're going to get back that $5 register reward, which is going to make your final price $8.98 for 2. Now, if you want to pair this up with a spin booster, if you have a spin 20, get back $5 in Walgreens cash. You're going to pick up 2 at $21.98. Use that 8 off 2 digital coupon. You're going to pay $13.98 out of pocket, but you're going to get back that $5 register reward and your $5 in Walgreens cash for your booster. That's going to make your final price $3.98 for 2. Alright, next up we have Soap and Glory products. So if you want to pick up this lotion right here, it's priced at $7.70. We have this 5 off 1 digital coupon, so that's going to leave you paying $2.70. Now, we also have a second 5 off 1 digital coupon for the Soap and Glory Body Scrub product. So this one right here is priced at $9.10. Use that coupon and you're going to pay $4.10. Alright, now with this 5 off 1 digital coupon, there are several Soap and Glory body scrubs that y'all can pick up this week, ranging in price from $9.10 all the way up to $9.80. But with that 5 off 1 digital coupon, you're going to pay less than $5 and you can use Walgreens cash to pay. Keep in mind that these are normally priced at $14 each. So I think this is a pretty good deal. Alright, so next up we have a few shampoo deals. So we have the L'Oreal Elvive shampoos and conditioners. These are on sale this week, 2 for $8. We have a 4 off 2 manufacturer coupon and a 2 off 2 IVC coupon. So that's going to leave you paying $2 for 2 and you can use Walgreens cash to pay. Alright, next up we have the Garnier Whole Blend shampoos and conditioners. They are on sale this week, 2 for $7, and we have a 3 off 2 manufacturer coupon. So that's going to leave you paying $4 for 2 and you can use Walgreens cash to pay. Alright, next up we have the Garnier Fructis shampoos, conditioners, and styling products. Those are on sale this week, 2 for $7, and we have a 3 off 2 digital coupon, so that's going to leave you paying $4 for 2. Alright guys, next up we have the Head & Shoulders shampoos and conditioners. These are priced at $10.99. You want to pick up 2, that's going to put you at $21.98. Use a 3 off 2 digital coupon and that's going to leave you paying $18.98 out of pocket, but you're going to get back a $5 register reward for the P&G promotion, and you're also going to get back a $5 register reward for the Spend 20 on Personal Care promotion. But this still gets even better because right now on Ibotta, we have a $3 rebate back on the Head & Shoulders shampoos and conditioners. So you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta, get $6 back, and that's going to make your final price $2.98 for 2. Now, I'm definitely going back to Walgreens today to do this deal plus the Bounty deal because I'm trying to finish up my Ibotta pop quiz bonus. Alright guys, next up we have the Gillette and Venus razors. These are on sale this week for $8 each. What you want to do is pick up a total of 3. That's going to put you at $24. Use the 8 off 3 manufacturer coupon and that's going to leave you paying $16 out of pocket. But you're going to get back a $5 register reward for purchasing 3. You're also going to get back another $5 register reward for the P&G Spend 15 promotion. And you're also going to get back a $5 register reward for the Spend 20 on Personal Care promotion. That's going to make your final price just $1 for 3. And make sure that you're picking up 3 of the exact same item in order for that coupon to work. All right, now next up, we also have this Venus Ultra Moisture Shave Gel. These are priced at $4.99. We have a 3-off-1 digital coupon, so that's going to be paying $1.99. All right, next up, we have the Axe Shower Tools. These are priced at $5.49, but they're on sale, buy one, get one half off. So you're going to pick up two. That's going to put you at $8.23. We have a 6-off-2 digital coupon, so that's going to leave you paying $2.23 for two. All right, guys, next up, the CoverGirl deal is back. So we have CoverGirl products on sale this week. Buy one, get one half off. You want to pick up one of the CoverGirl face powders for $4.99. Then pick up the CoverGirl 2-count eyeliner pencils for $2.24. We have a 2-off-1 CoverGirl face coupon plus a 2-off-1 CoverGirl eye coupon. So that's going to leave you paying $3.23, and you can use Walgreens cash to pay. But this deal gets even better because right now on Ibotta, we have a $3 rebate back for the CoverGirl face product and a $3 rebate back on the CoverGirl eye product. So submit your receipt to Ibotta, get $6 back, and that's going to make your final price completely free plus a $2.77 moneymaker. All right, next up, we have the Shea Moisture Bar Soaps. These are priced at $4.19. What you want to do is pick up two. That's going to put you at $8.38. Use the 5-off-2 digital coupon. That's going to leave you paying $3.38 for two, and you can use Walgreens cash. All right, next up, we have the No. 7 Early Defense Day Cream. I think the No. 7 products are 30% off this week. This one right here is going to be priced at $9.09. We do have a 5-off-1 digital coupon that's working with that, so that's going to leave you paying $4.09, and you can use Walgreens cash. All right, next up, if you guys are doing a pickup order, you want to throw this one in. We have the Wet Ones Gel Hand Sanitizers. These are priced at 99 cents. We have a 1-off-1 digital coupon that's working with this, and that's going to make it completely free. All right, next up, we have the Colgate toothpaste. These are on sale this week for $2.99. So pick up two at $5.98. Use the 3-off-2 digital coupon. You're going to pay $2.98, and you can use Walgreens cash to pay. You're going to get back a $3 register reward for purchasing two, and that's going to make your final price completely free. All right, next up, we have the Oral-B Floss Picks. These are on sale this week for $4 each. Pick up two, that's going to put you at $8. Use the $3.50 off 2 digital coupon. That's going to leave you paying $4.50, and you can use Walgreens cash to pay. You're going to get back a $5 register reward for purchasing two, and that's going to make your final price completely free plus a 50-cent moneymaker. Now, if you don't have that $3.50 off 2 digital coupon, don't worry about it. You probably have this 3-off 2 digital coupon. So pick up two at $8. Use that 3-off 2 digital coupon. That's going to leave you paying $5, and you can use Walgreens cash to pay. You're going to get back that $5 register reward for purchasing two. That's going to make your final price completely free. All right, guys, now let's talk about what happened with me at Walgreens this week. Now, yesterday, I went into Walgreens to do 2 spend transactions. And like I said earlier in the video, I'm going to go back and do a couple more deals because I am trying to complete the Pop Quiz Ibotta bonus before it expires. So for my first transaction, I was working with this digital spend booster. It's spend 22, earned back $5 in Walgreens cash rewards. Now, here's a quick look at my transaction, and I did have a couple of hiccups. Now, with Walgreens, no matter how much planning you do at home and before you get to the store, it never fails, at least for me anyways, it never fails that something has to be changed in the store last minute. And that's kind of when you have to roll with the punches, right? So with this transaction, I picked up the Oral-B Floss Picks, the 2 Colgate toothpaste, and the 3 Venus razors. And then I threw in one of those little caramel candies just as a filler item, because once I started doing my transaction, one of my register rewards would not attach. So one of the things that I want to talk about with this transaction are the Venus razors. I know that you guys will notice right there, they are not all 3 the exact same. And I did know that going into this deal that they all 3 needed to ring up as the same product or that digital coupon would not attach. So when I got up to the register, I asked the employee if there was any way that she could work with me on this deal just by ringing up 3 of the blue ones and throwing in that pink pack, instead in place of a blue one. But she had to talk to the manager about it, and they did work with me and figure out a way that they could work around that and help me out and get that coupon to attach. So that did work out in the end. But just as a quick warning, if you guys do that deal, try to get 3 of the exact same Venus or Gillette razors. Now, other than that, I did have one more hiccup that happened at the register. One of my register rewards would not attach. So I did throw in the caramel candy there at the end, and then that register reward did attach. Now, I did make a mistake. I was using 2 $5 register rewards, and I did hand her over the personal care register reward. So those personal care register rewards do not roll. So if you use one in a transaction, you're not going to get one back, all right? So that was the only hiccup that I had. I did not get back that $5 personal personal care register reward, but she did go ahead and credit my account $5 in Walgreens cash. So I am happy with that. This transaction turned out to be completely free, plus a $4.02 moneymaker. So I cannot complain, especially with my employees being so kind. All right, now for my second transaction, I actually wanted to stack this digital spin booster for spend 25, earn back $7 in Walgreens cash rewards with a paper spin booster that I had, which was spend 40, get back $9 in Walgreens cash rewards. All right, so for this transaction, like I said, this was going to be a huge spin deal, working with a spend 40 paper booster and a spend 25 digital booster. So going right into this, I know that these big spin deals can be very stressful because if you forget one little detail, it can throw off your whole transaction. As I have said in the past, I actually started this YouTube channel on Walgreens couponing and trying to teach others how to coupon at Walgreens. So if you guys scroll all the way back to my very first videos, you're going to see a bunch of Walgreens videos, all right? Now, however, since I got into Dollar General couponing, I did take a break from Walgreens. They switched over to their new program, and it takes a while to learn all of these little rules and little things that you have to remember. You know, like I said, one little thing can throw your whole transaction off, especially if you're doing a huge spin deal. So walking into Walgreens yesterday, I had everything planned out to a T. I had all of my coupons clipped, and I knew exactly how my deal was going to turn out, right? Wrong. So I got into the store and I had actually planned on putting in the Colgate deal with this spin deal as well. However, once I got to the store, I realized that they only had 2 of the Colgate toothpaste that I needed for this deal left, and I wanted to use those on my first transaction. So for this second transaction, I actually had to throw in the Creston Oral-B products, and those turned out to be free as well. However, myself and Creston Oral-B products just don't vibe at Walgreens. For some reason, it never fails. Either my coupons don't work, the register rewards don't print, or the Walgreens cash does not apply. So not quite sure what it is with me and Creston Oral-B, but I try to stay away from those, especially when I'm doing a spin deal. But against my better judgment, I threw those in anyways and thought, hey, let's just go for it and see what happens, right? Right. So I get up to the register. She rings up all of my items. She scans my spin booster. All of my coupons come off without any issues. Now, here's where my problems began, and typically you don't see a whole lot of couponing YouTubers show you guys their transactions where they made a mistake or things didn't go as planned, because, hey, what's the fun in that? We want to show our best hauls and put out our best deals, right? Well, I think it's important, especially for people who are trying to learn to coupon at Walgreens, that Walgreens is complicated sometimes, and there's a lot to remember, and everybody makes mistakes. It doesn't matter how long you've been couponing. I still have 5 off 25 transactions that don't work out exactly as I planned, and that's totally fine, all right? We live and we learn, all right? So, with this transaction, I forgot the little rule about IVC coupons. When you're doing a spin deal, you do not factor in that IVC coupon as a manufacturer coupon, because it's not a manufacturer coupon, and that was a little tiny mistake that I made on my part. So that's what ended up throwing off this spin deal. Now, the other issue that I had was on the Creston Oral-B products. My $5 register reward did not print off for me. Now, with all that being said, luckily I have wonderful employees at my Walgreens. I always fill out those surveys at the bottom of the receipts and brag on them because they are really, really understanding. And I think at this point she probably felt sorry for me, like, look, this girl's done all of this math, and she went ahead and gave me the Walgreens cash instead. All right, so it did work out to be completely free, plus a $19 moneymaker, even with a few hiccups in the road. If you guys have any issues with your transactions, ask your employees if they can give you Walgreens cash, or if they don't want to do it, call customer service. 99% of the time, you're going to get a really nice person on the line, and they're just going to give you the Walgreens cash, no questions asked. Alright guys, so for my third transaction, I did pick up some clearance items. We have all of these different Walgreens face masks. These are as low as 45 cents right now on clearance. So I picked up a total of 6 items. It worked out to be $5.64. I did roll $5 on Walgreens cash, so it ended up being 64 cents out of pocket for all 6 items. All right, guys, so there you have it. Another exciting week at Walgreens. We have tons of great deals, freebies, and money makers. And like I always say, every trip that I take to Walgreens, I always learn something new. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Before you go, if you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so. And don't forget to turn on those notifications so that you don't miss out on any awesome deals. While you're at it, hit that thumbs up button for me because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know how y'all are doing today. And please take a second to share the video. All right, guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.